Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my followers, my everyone. How are you today? This is RC Mendoza speaking. RC Mendoza is running an online digital business that is working 24/7 in the background. So I am here. I am here to invite you to join our 90 minutes webinar tonight. That is basically Tuesday and Thursday. And if you think you are not available on that time frame, you can just watch the replay and that will be available on my website at www.roseskris.com. It's into your screen. Watch your screen. That's my website, okay? You will know a lot of information when you log on that website. And if you think you have questions, then chat me, message me, ask me how, and I will be happy to answer your questions. And I will be more glad also to be your mentor. So please watch the 90 minutes webinar and then we will talk about the process after that. Okay? For now, I will let you go and I will see you goodbye and hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye-bye.